so. Yes, so. Remo Isoko. Yes, so. Aso. 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 So anything you feel for inside bush na bush meat, so they comot am for road. Mati guno kebe mabeyara. Aso. Mati guno kebe mabeyara. So, they are from Nigeria, they are from Nigeria. They are from Nigeria. So, Giovanna, they are from Nigeria. So. I have no copyright of this song. Please allow me to share my gospel. So, please keep on sharing the program. Please keep on sharing the program. Anything they see for inside bush now, bush me to. Please, permit me. Please, permit me. Permit me, please, I beg you, permit me. Also, my brother Emmanuel, I greet you. You are welcome, all hail Biafra. Yes, sir. God bless our able leader Mazina Dikalu. God bless the Eastern Security Network. We must continue and we must show their support. We must give them 100% support. Why? Because they are there to defend our land. They are there to protect our mothers. They are there to protect our fathers. They are there to protect us. You know they hear raping again now. You know they hear raping again. Fulani helps me there our bush. You know they will not go here and go. Bye back to Fulani Biafra land. Bye back to Fulani Biafra land. That's so. Anything we see for inside bush now, bush me to. That's so. Anything we do for inside Biafra bush now bush meat. If we are not in our land, anything we see for inside our bush now bush meat. Whether na the Zik construction I create you come or you are a bush meat. Now so where they were also. These people are there to protect us. They are there to protect our land. They are there to safeguard our land. They are there to safeguard our land. So we have to give them 100% support. Almost Biafra. What the governors could not do, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done it. What our governors could not do, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done it. What the so-called Zik construction called Nigeria could not do, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done it. He has proven to us that he is still a leader. So we must give them 100% support because these people, they are here to protect our land. What the governors to know, the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done it. That tears in this way with the crisis, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have come to wipe away that tears. That tears in this way there our eyes see. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't wipe am. He don't wipe am from us. We are not crying anymore. We are not in the era of crying anymore. We are not in the era of mourning anymore. This one are 50-50. The gods have woken up. The gods of our land have woken up. Why? Because we are going to fight this fight, both spiritual and physical. We are going to fight this battle, both spiritual and physical. We are not in the era of crying anymore. We will not shed tears. We will not shed tears anymore. Yes, so. That's all. Yes, so my people, I agree to now on a humble brow be this Ogenema no as Clem Moses. You know I did be now. Now only one struggle now will get and to achieve Biafra and I be our goal. We have no other victory. The only victory we say we get for this earth now to achieve Biafra. Why? Because we don't tire to live slavery life. We don't tire to live for another man country. We don't tire to live like people when people say no get future. We don't tire to live like people when people say no know where they go. We don't tire to live the kind of life when we say we no want live. The life when we say our ancestors no ever live, ever self. Now the kind of life now they live today, we don't tire to live that kind of life. The end to every solution, don't show out. The end to every, let me say, every problem when we say they our land, the end don't come. The end of that problem when we say they our land, the end of our problem have come, and we are going to. We only appreciate our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why? Because now God, now Ogene I choose him. Now Ogene, it's okay go say Ogene, which is God. Now God now choose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Man never destined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to fight this battle. God have already prepared him. God himself prepared him. He knew that he's the only person that is going to rescue us for this bondage. He knows that the only person will be say go rescue us for this bondage. Why? Because we have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot in the hands of our enemy. We have suffered a lot in the hands of those that we called to say yes, they should represent us. We have suffered a lot in every part of the world. We have suffered a lot. If you go towards the world today, you find us, according to Flavor song, anywhere you enter, if you not see Igbo man, may you run for that place. Why? Because when he's talking about Igbo man, they talk about only those people when they speak Igbo. They refer to you when you come for Igodomigodo, which is presently Edo State. You when be say you come for Delta State. You Isokoma, you Izoma, you Shekrima, you Kalabama, you any ethnic group. When be say you come for Southeast, when Flavor they say anywhere you go see Igbo man. They talk about you. If they talk about you, if they talk about me as an Isoko man, if they talk about you as an Urobo man, as an Urobo woman, if they talk about you as in Igodomigodo's children, he's talking about all of us. Now what they try to talk. That's why God choose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself to call represent us. That's why God choose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to say this generation, now only you and I go fit save this generation. Now only you and I go fit save this generation. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never failed us. He has never failed us. He has spoken so many things, and everything when we say talk, all of them don't come to pass. Nothing when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk, when we say never come to pass. All the prophecy, I don't know they call them prophets. All the prophecy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have laid towards our land, those prophecies have come to pass. What the governors in our land, what the leaders in our land, what the so-called kings, those people who put in position to represent us in our land, what they could not do, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done it. He have done it. God himself, I will say, is the Yeshua of my time. Is the Jesus Christ of my time. Whether you like him or you don't like him, I don't care. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the Jesus Christ of my time. Why? Because he has come to redeem us from iniquity. He has come to redeem us from iniquity. He has come to redeem us from bondage. Why? Because we don't too suffer. We don't too suffer. The punishment we be say will dare not be small. We are running away from our land, our own so-called land, the land that God has using to bless our ancestors. I still they talk. The way when we say we take they suffer, our ancestors no suffer like this. The way when we take suffer, our ancestors no suffer like this. We are running away from our land. Meanwhile, the Fulanis they enter our land, they collect our land, they rape our women. They kill our mothers. They kill anything killable. At the end of the day, there is no solution. Those people who will put in position to represent us, they are not there to represent us. Meanwhile, they are there to even use us as sacrifice for the Fulanis. They are even there to use us for sacrifice for the Fulanis. That is why God excellently choose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to say, okay, now only you and I be the person who will go fit represent these people. The same way when we say God choose Moses through the for the time when we say the day Egypt. That's why now so like God choose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because the Egypt when we say we dey now the zoological country called Nigeria when the British create now be the Egypt when we say we dey today. Now be the Egypt when we say we dey today. It's like we don't even know ourselves. We don't know our beginning. We don't know our end. We don't know where we are coming from. We don't know where we are going to. As always they talk and say now only we now no get home for this life. Only Biafras now no get home. Only we Biafras now no get home. Then the world no say Biafra now be the light of Africa. That was why the world gathered destroy us. That was why the world gathered destroy us. Because they know that we Biafras are building nations. Biafras are building another country. They are building empire. They are building different places. But when it comes to their own land, they are nobody. When it comes to their own land, they are nobody. Why? Because the useless people we have put in position, the people when we say we put for position, when they represent us, they are the ones selling us out. They are the ones selling us out, selling us to the Fulanis, selling us to the Europeans, selling us to all parts of the world. Selling us to all parts of the world. They don't care whether we live. After all, maybe their children, they are not there. Their children, they are not there in the country. They don't care whether, they talk. The solution to every problem have come. The solution to every problem have come. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have proved himself that yes, he's truly a leader. Maybe some people, they talk say, yeah, why would Mazi Nnamdi Kanu carry security come? Why he go carry security? In the days of David in the Bible, David has a security. If you don't know, David was the person that stood the Israel. We are saying that Israel. Now David now stand Israel. Without David, Israel for no stand. David has guard. He has security that he normally use for war. That's why God also chose Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for him to also bring this security where would they use for war. Because the time of weeping is over. The time of weeping is over. The Bible says, weeping may endure for a while, but joy comes in the morning. This is the time for we to rejoice. This is the time for we to rejoice. We are not more going to weep again. We will never weep again. Never again are we going to weep in our life. Never again are we going to weep in our life. Never again we will hear say yes that they rape our mother. Never again we go hear say that they destroy our crop. Never again we go hear say our children are so nice they do. Never again, never. Why? Because the Eastern Security Network, they are there to protect us. These are the army that David raised those days. These are the same army that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have raised in my time. And these people, they are there to protect us. They are there to protect us. What you will do, I dey talk to Isoko, I dey talk to mostly the coastal region of Biafra, Igodo, Migodo. I dey talk to every ethnic group in the coastal region. You must support these people. You must give them 100 totally support. You must give them 100 totally support. Why? Because the people you have put in place to represent you, they never represented you one day. They never represented you one day. The only thing they will do, maybe if they don't manage to be a counselor or any position, the next thing you find out that they will take their children to Europe. They will take their children to Europe. If they kill you, they don't care. If they kill you, they don't care. Why? Because they are not there in the country. Their children is not there in the country. They have been protected by security. The same people when they kill you, now the same people now they still they protect them. The same people when they kill you, now the same people now they still they protect them. That's why God sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come. And I still they talk. No matter who will kill, heaven will not fall. No matter who will kill, heaven will not fall. Why? Because they have been killing us, heaven will not fall. They have been killing us. These people have destroyed us. These people have killed a lot of people. They have killed a lot of our youth. If you go prison today, mostly when I talk say most of our youth, if you go prison today, in our own state, you not go see Fulani for inside prison. Fulani they carry that guy go keep person. The Fulani you not go see him for inside prison. You not go see Fulani. They know they arrest Fulani. Now only we now they arrest. Why? Because we have no home. That's why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say enough is enough. Enough is enough. All those things have to come to an end. All those things need to come to an end. That's why he bring the Eastern Security Network. The Eastern Security Network to protect us, to defend us, to defend our land. You know, say when things they happen to a person, you go feel say maybe God is no longer in his side. The truth is that God is with us. But until we take up our own responsibility to defend ourselves, you go be like say God no dey with us. Until we take up our own responsibility to defend ourselves, it go be like say God no dey with us. Even there is one proverb that they say heaven help those who help themselves. If you are not ready to defend yourself, your enemy will use you as a toothpick. If you are not ready to defend yourself, your enemy will use you as a toothpick. Why? Okay. If you are not ready to defend yourself, well, won't you ask yourself, say, the so-called leaders that we don't elect, may they represent us, why do they carry security? Why do they carry security? That's to let you know that they are there to defend themselves. The pastors when be say they the land, why do they carry security? They are there to defend themselves. But you common man, when be say you're supposed to defend yourself, these people will deceive you. These people will use you. These people will say one or two words to deceive you, and meanwhile you will key to those words. You will key to those words. That's why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, God have sent him to come and redeem us from iniquity. God has sent it to redeem us from iniquity. So we must give this Eastern Security Network 100% support. We must give this Eastern Security Network 100% support. If there is any place that these people have been attacked, the Eastern Security Network have been attacked, that an attack on the Eastern Security Network is an attack on you. The days of our weeping is over. We will not continue wearing black cloth again. We will not go wear black and black again. We will not wear black and black again. This is the time to free ourselves from slavery. This is the time to free ourselves from slavery. This is the time for we to free ourselves from total slavery. Total slavery. I still they talk on anything very soon, not only in the bush. Some people just say, yes, not only bush, anything when we say we see for inside bush, now bush me. No. Very soon it will enter into government house. Anything we see for inside government house, now bushmeat. Anything we see for inside government house, now bushmeat. Very soon. The government in Biafra land, they will no longer live in Biafra land again. They will be living in the north. They will be in the north. They will be in the north. They will not live in Biafra land again. And for all those zoo construction called Nigeria, all those army, if you are a Biafra bet and you belong to Nigeria army, you think you are fighting to save Nigeria, you are destroying yourself. You are destroying yourself. According, our leader have said it. If you are in the Nigeria army, you better resign. You better resign. Why? Because if you came from Biafra, that Biafra is your birthright. When I mean Biafra, Southeast, if you came from Southeast, you need to resign. If you are one of those Nigerian army, see, they go only send you can't kill you. They go only send you can't kill you. Because why? They not say, you won't be say that they send, because they not say we are ready. So they will only use you to destroy you. They will only use you to, why can't you just resign to defend your own father's land? Why would you resign to defend your own father's land? Instead, they are using you to kill yourself. The days of our weeping is over. Even the Bible says, weeping may endure for a while, but joy is coming in the morning. At the talk, our joy don't come. Our joy don't come. We will not cry anymore. We will not go cry anymore. We will not cry anymore. We will not cry anymore. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Anything when we do this time, heaven no go fall. They don't kill us, heaven no fall. So even though say we'll kill anybody for the state, heaven will not fall. Why? Because we are there to defend ourselves. They will not continue using us as sacrifice. Those days have passed when they use us as sacrifice. Those days have passed when people say that they use us as sacrifice. Those days have come and gone. They don't come out. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have proved himself again. And they send this message to my Igodo brothers. You people need to wake up. This is not the time for you to start killing yourself as like courtesan. To my Delta brother, not be this time, not be now they kill yourself as courtesan. This is the time for you to stand yourself. This is the time for you to be who you want to be in life. This is the time for you to protect your life. This is the time for you to defend yourself. This is the time for you to defend your children. This is the time for you to defend your children. Why? Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are nobody. We are nobody. The security when be say, it just like say the army when be say he did the country. Now we know that you're creating for. Any small thing that you declare coffee. Any small thing that don't declare coffee. Any small thing that don't Edo State coffee. Delta State coffee. Cross River coffee. Calabar coffee. Anywhere coffee. Bayelsa coffee. They know they declare coffee for not. The coffee when they declare for our region, they know they declare coffee for not. You know go here when they say for let me say for Kano State coffee, they know they declare coffee for not. But any small thing coffee, any small thing army go down full side, go down full time. And any small thing, see are they talking? Any small thing, the gun when people say that they give them, now for them to the intimidate us. The days of intimidation have come and gone. The days of intimidation have come and gone. And have come and gone for good and forever. We are not going to cry anymore. We are not going to shed tears anymore. We are not going to beg anymore. We are not going to beg the world to come and rescue us anymore. This is the time for we to defend ourselves. This is the time for we to defend ourselves. It is better we die defending ourselves than for we to continue living like slaves. It is better we defend ourselves. Defend ourselves, die in defending ourselves for we to continue living slave. Why? Because if we fail to defend ourselves, they will slave our children and they will slave our generations to come. For example, if you look at the way they slave us, I'm not just saying they slave our parents when they slave us. The way they slave us, they didn't slave our parents the way they slave us. Look at we today. We are nowhere to be found. Okay, look, if you go to, let me just say the government office, or let me say the presidential, if you go Abuja today, people who no go school, now they represent us. Imagine, people who no go school. You go say, yes, I get degree, I get degree, I get PhD, I get this thing. They don't go to school. They are the one collecting everything that belongs to the country. You will be say you go school, you are nobody. You are nobody. Those days have come and gone. Those days have come and gone. ESA have come to, they don't come save us. They are the savior that God have chosen to defend us. And they are there to defend us with their life. So we need to also defend them. We need to also defend them. We need to also defend them. And for the governors, all those governors when we say they are our state, very soon they talk and they go park, go north. There will be no governor in Biafra land anymore. Very soon all the governors will park to north. The ones who say their days they number, those ones they will live for not forever. They will live for not forever. They will live for not forever. Why? Because this time we are ready to die for our birthright. We are ready to die to take what belongs to us. Why? Because it is better for we to die fighting, I still dey talk, than for we to continue living like slaves. It is better for we to die in fighting. Die in fighting than for we to continue living like slaves. After all, if man die, they say rest in peace. When man die, they will tell and say rest in peace. So it is better for we to fight, die, and rest in peace than for we to continue living like slave on earth and be teared into pieces. People using us like chicken. Imagine country where be say animal, they value cow past human being. They value cow past human being. Cow meat, they value and past human being. If you touch cow, you feel go prison. If you touch cow, you go prison. If you touch cow, police go beat you. If you touch cow, they go molest you anyhow. Your governor, the person will be say you choose me, go ever represent you. He will not even stand. He will not even stand. He will not even think whether you are existing. Why? Because they value animal. That's why you see say any small thing, you bloody civilian. The days of bloody civilian is over. Those days of bloody civilian, it is over. It is totally over. Very soon, in Biafra land, no army go to wear uniform. No army will wear uniform anymore. All the army, they're going to put uniform very soon. Why? Because we know they're rich house. We will go to kill their joint house. Not be say we will kill them. We go kill their joint house. Why? Because we will not live in slave anymore. We will not live in slave. After all, the Bible says the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and only the violent ones taking it by force. So taking your birthright by force is not a sin. What belongs to you, if you take on with force, not be sin. Forget say people they just say, God say. What belongs to you, if you take on with force, not be sin. Why? Because these people, they are doing everything possible to make sure say they slave us. That they do everything possible to make sure say yes, we are slave under them, and we will not continue living like slave. We cannot continue living like slave. These people, imagine they are the one that create Miatrala. They are the one that create Boko Haram. They are the one that create SARS. They create all creatable to make sure that they destroy us. They create all creatable to make sure say they destroy us. That you cannot be, see, you not feel progress. You not feel progress because if you just say you just they progress, the next thing they'll say, you are a Yahoo boy, you are this. Why? Because there is no hope. There is no hope. There is no hope. These people have made us hopeless. These people have made us hopeless. Even we that are living in diaspora, we are hopeless. No matter what we have today, we are afraid of coming back home. Why? Because there's no good thing back home. There's no good thing back home. No matter what we achieve here, we cannot return back home. Why? Because we found out that if we take all what we have achieved back home, these people that can make us zero again. These people, they will make us zero again. That's why the God have sent Mazin Adikalu. That's why God has sent Mazin Adikalu. You not feel waka say yes, you dey waka way. People when be say you ever put me they represent you, they cannot represent you. They are not there to ever represent you. Meanwhile, they talk our governors, they are slaves. Our governors, all of them, they are slaves. We don't have any governor in Coastal region. We don't have any governor in Biafra land. All the governors in our land, all of them, they are slaves. They are not there to help us. They are not there to help us. They are only there to destroy us. At the talk, the governors say they are using us for sacrifice. The governor, all the killings that have been happening in our land, they have been doing sacrifice. They have been doing sacrifice. Why? Because they are using us as sacrifice to please the Mighty Allah. They are using us as sacrifice to please the Mighty Allah. Our youth, they're full prison. Now youth, if you go prison, our youth now full prison pass. Youth now full prison pass. Wait till they do nothing. Wait till they do nothing. The governors, then 4 years, they go rule 4 years. After 4 years, another 4 years. After 4 years, another 4 years. 8 years, nothing. They go do nothing. 8 years, they will do nothing. Those days have come and gone. Those days have come and gone. Those days have come and gone. When we go, they cry. These people, they are slaves. They don't to slave us. These people, they don't to tear us. These people, they don't to overslave us. They don't push us to the extent that we have no other hope anymore. We have no other home anymore. You'll see little girl, for example. A little girl that's supposed to be in school. The governor, they don't frustrate us. They don't frustrate us. So no. Those days have come and gone. Anything you find inside the bush is a bushmeat. And very soon, not be only bush, very soon it's coming to the town. Anything you find for inside city, any person you find for inside city, when you put on military uniform and bushmeat, it go be meat. Because they kill rabbit for us. Anything you find for us, when you put on military uniform, very soon we go to slaughter all of them. Why? Because Biafra must be restored. Biafra must be restored. No matter what we will do, heaven will not go fall. No matter what we will do, heaven will not fall. Heaven will not fall. This time we are not praying anymore. We are not calling God, oh God, come and help us. Oh God, come and help us. We are not calling God to come and help us anymore. God has already granted us go ahead. And we are ready to die for what we have. We are ready to die because we will not continue living like slaves. If you know you won't live like slave, go live. If you know say you won't live like slave, you go suffer, carry your bag, you go live. If you know you want to live like a fool and you carry your bag, you go live. We will not live as a slave anymore. We will not live as a slave anymore. Those days have come and gone. Where would they cry? Those days have come and gone. So I dey call my brothers mostly for Edo State, for Delta State, from the whole coastal region. You must support the Eastern Security Network. You must give them totally support. Don't say maybe because say your brother and a counselor, because say your brother and a this thing. Say, see, let me tell you, and if you are one of those people when they say that they create like vigilante, whether they create as vigilante, maybe they won't call use you. They won't call use you, can't they fight? You are just wasting your life. Why? Because we will kill you and heaven no go fall. We will kill you and heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. The police are there. What are the work of the police? What are the work of the police? The police has been there for long. The police are there to intimidate us. To intimidate us. They create you as vigilante. Okay, now vigilante. Okay, what is the work of the police? They create, yes, we have the vigilante of what is the people? What I forgot the name they give the one in Edo State. Then Okowa Hawk. You can't come and say yes. See, when Mighty Allah was destroying people, why did Okowa not create Okowa Hawk? When our people they run for help, they cry for help. What happened? Why Okowa not come and call create Hawk? Why Obaseki for Edo State? Why not bring vigilante? Now we be say Mazina the Kalu don't give us security. Now what we start to the create to now home. If you are one of those people, you better just renounce yourself. Renounce yourself. Why? Because these people they are already now sacrifice. They won't use you to do sacrifice. They tell you they won't use you as sacrifice. Because these people they have been using us as sacrifice. These people they have been using us as sacrifice. They're not go tired to use us. Those days have come and gone. When people say would they cry? Those days have come and gone. When people say would they shed tears? Those days have come and gone. When people say would they cry? Say, oh, come and help us. Oh God, come and help us. No, we know they call God. May God call help us again. We know they call God. Even the Bible talk on. It says, sell your garment and buy waiting a weapon. Sell your garment, may you buy weapon. So anything when we do this time, heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. The women wey be say they rape for inside bush, when Fulani rape, kill them. Kill women, kill people, kill children, kill mama, kill papa, do everything. Pursue people, burn people house, heaven no fall. Not when we go start our own, heaven go fall. Heaven will not fall. Heaven will not fall. Heaven will not fall. Heaven no go fall. I dey talk am heaven. Anything when we do, heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Forget the security wey be say they got all those what they call all those governors. Forget the security. If we mean any governor, we go bring her down. Heaven no go fall. Anybody will kill. Heaven no go fall. Because we are fighting for survival. We have been fighting. We have been fighting for generations to generations. Not be today, not be we start to the fight too. Not be today. Biafrans have fought Britain so many times. They have fought Britain so many times. We fought so many times and we defeated Britain so many times. That was why they brought Christianity to destroy us. But let me not go towards that angle. Why? Because that one is not necessary at this time. What is necessary at this time is you must defend yourself. Anything when cross your way, when one bring you down a bushmeat, you kill them. Heaven no go fall. Anything when be say come your way, when one bring you down, kill them. Heaven no go fall. Any fool and when you see say you cash, not give out to security. Not cash full and you say, okay, maybe full and person want to do you this way. You call carry on. You call say you want to go give out to army. Immediately you give out to police. The police go carry the full and go north. And they go still bring that full and again with uniform come. And that full and go kill you. So if you see full and kill them, heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Not be sin. For you to destroy your enemy, not be sin. For you to destroy your enemy, it's not a sin for you to destroy your enemy. If you catch any evil person, when we say maybe he attack you, anybody when you see say they destroy your crop, kill him, heaven no go fall. Now me they tell you, anybody when you see say they destroy anything, with any good thing for your land, destroy the person, heaven no go fall. If it too rain, it no rain past 1 or 2 days. If it too rain, it no go rain past 1 or 2 days. If we even as government has this, so if we burn her, government as it is, so if we burn her today, heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Abakare never die, go heaven fall. But the time when they say they go, the saka. Oh, I say these people, they are fool. These people, they are fool. Their cup don't fool. Their cup don't fool. Well, like their cup don't fool. They don't push us to the one way. We have no choice. We have no choice. Very soon, at the talk, and very soon, all the governors in Biafra land, all the governors, they go wrong, go not. All of them, they go wrong, go not. Very soon, all of them, they go wrong, go not. We are ready to die this time, Walai. We are ready to die. Anything that cross our way is a bushmeat. Anything that cross our way, because we not go fit dey live for slave. We will not continue living this slavery life. We cannot continue living like slave in our own land. No, never, never. People, they graduate from school at the end of the day, 0. Joblessness, 0. Everything, 0. The ones who manage bring business now, they go burn the business down. The ones who manage raise business, they go burn the business down totally. People, you don't feel waka again. You don't feel waka. You don't feel do things for your own place again. You don't feel do things. Say, okay, maybe now your own place, say, maybe you get the full confidence they do. You don't feel do it. Why? Because these people, they don't suppress us tired. They don't press us. They don't suppress us to the extent they say, we don't get any choice anymore. We don't get any choice anymore. All the hope when people say we get it, be like say they are now the night could be our hope. Now the night be our hope. That's why you say today, any small thing, maybe you manage open, maybe sometimes even say maybe they'll give you one small work. You have no choice. You go hold on to the work. Why? Because you have been suffering. You don't they suffer since. They come and give you one small work. You go hold and strong. Because why? They don't suppress you. This is the reason they call all the youth in coastal region, you must rise up and take what belongs to you. Take what belongs to you. Now is the only time. See, everything when they happen to us since the world no talk. All the incidents when they happen to us. All the slave when they say they happen to us, the world no talk. Our youth don't die finish. Our youth don't die finish. Youth full inside prison when be say we not even know. Youth full inside prison when be say we not even know. Youth full inside prison. Youth full, even Libya, the one you know youth when die for Mediterranean Sea. People when they want try rescue their parents. All the name of we want become one Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We cannot continue living that kind of life. Anything wey cross your way na bushmeat. Anything you see for inside bush na bushmeat. Anything you see for inside bush na bushmeat. And I dey tell my people, if any attack they call me the Eastern Security Network, if you get weapon, hold and strong. Fight for your father's land. Don't feel that okay, maybe the Eastern Security Network, they are there to protect us. Yes, they are there. No, they cannot fight alone. You need to fight with them. The Eastern Security Network, they cannot fight alone. You need to fight with them. You need to come out to support them to fight. If you get weapon, come and support them. Any attack on the Eastern Security Network is an attack on you. Any attack on the Eastern Security Network is an attack on you. Don't feel that maybe when they are being attacked, you go run enter inside bush or you go run enter inside house. No. Any attack, if you get weapon, carry your weapon. Bring your weapon, come and fight with them. Why? Because you are defending your land. You are defending your land. See, if you defend your land will defend you. If you don't defend your land will not defend you. If you don't defend your land will never defend you. Some people don't say, no, our God. No, let me tell you what to say. If you want your land to defend you, first of all, you must defend your land. If you want your land to defend you, you must defend your land. If you don't defend your land, if you don't accept your land will not accept you. It is your responsibility to make sure that you secure your land. It is your responsibility to make sure say you secure your land. That was why when the British came into our land those days, according to history, our ancestors defend the land. Our ancestors defend the land. If they never defend the land, maybe we will know they exist. Maybe we will know they exist. Maybe the British will ever kill all of us. But because they're still to defend the land, that was why we are still existing. That's why we have the privilege today to live. If to say our ancestors not defend the land, just imagine waiting for happen. If to say our ancestors not defend the land, just imagine today waiting for happen to us. Maybe we will become nobody, but because of our ancestors not defend the land, that is why they gave birth to us. So we must defend our land. It is our responsibility to ensure that we defend our land. And we are not only defending, we will defend our land with our last blood. We will defend our land with our last blood. So I'm telling you, anything cross your way now, bushmeat. See, any attack on the Eastern Security Network, you need to come out. If you get guns, carry your gun, come out, fight with them. Fight with them. Fight with them. Don't say, no, they are there to protect us now, and their duty. After Ramazina, the Kalu don't lost security. The security, no. What make Israel Israel? Everybody in Israel, when it comes to war, everybody war it together. What make Finland? When it comes to war, everybody in Finland, they will war it together. When it comes to Biafra, we are going to war it together. It is better we all perish. It is better we all perish than to leave some people to die, than we that is left start living under slavery. It is better say they perish all of us. They always said unity is strength. Unity is strength. So we must unite with our Eastern Security brothers. We must unite with them to make sure say yes, we bring all bushmeat. When we say they say bush, but the one when we say they got metals, to make sure say we bring all of them down. To make sure say we bring every of them down. Because any single thing when we say won't put us for slavery, we go crush them down. We go crush them. Not be say we not just the talk. We go crush them down. We go crush them down. I go tell my brother, I say, go prepare yourself. Go and prepare yourself. Go prepare yourself. Because anything when we say cross our way, we will crush it down. We don't care if it's going to lead to death. We don't care. It is better for we to fight dying than for them to slave us. At the end of the day, we will see die. It is better for we to keep on fighting until we die. We'll fight with our last breath until we die, than for we to sit down back and watch these people slaving us. Then they'll come pass the slave into our generation. Come pass her into generations to generations. Imagine, say, I wish our ancestors no accept Christianity. I don't think we will be living this kind of life. I wish our ancestors did not accept Christianity. Why? Because it was only Christianity the British and the Europeans used to destroy our ancestors. And today, instead of we to stand up to fight for what belongs to us, we read the Bible. We read the Bible, how God used different people to defend the land. But we, instead of we to defend our own land, we are praying. Enough is enough. This is not the time of prayer anymore. This is not the time of prayer anymore. Anything when we do, heaven no go fall. I still they talk am. Anything when we do, heaven no. See, if we burn God matters, heaven no go fall. They are bringing the war to our land. Very soon, we go take the war, go back to their land. Very soon, we will take we will chase all Mietiala. We will chase all Mietiala away from Biafra land. All Mietiala, we will chase all of them. Anywhere when they will go chase them, and we are ready to die. We don't care if it's going to take our life. Anywhere when they both for sitting or anywhere that they will make sure that we will send all of them away. All of them away. We will send that thing. Any governor when be say won't stand with Mietiala, we will bring the governor down. No level. Heaven no go fall. Any governor, any minister, any top rank when be say won't stand with the Mietiala, we go bring her down. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Anything we do, heaven no go fall. Why? Because we are there. We are there to defend ourselves. We are there to see. If you know say you want to live with the Mietiala, you go to north and live. If you know you want to unite, if you know you are in Nigeria, you go to north and live. Why? Because the north, they are Nigeria. The north, they are claiming that they are Nigeria. So let them live it. We are not Nigeria. And we can never be part of Nigeria. The days of our ignorance have come and gone. The days of our ignorance have come and gone. And we will never, we can never never again can we be in Nigeria. Never in our life are we going to be in Nigeria. Never. Nigeria have come. Nigeria don't exist finish. Nigeria don't exist finish. Nigeria don't exist finish. We are going to say, at the talk anything, anybody. Forget say you not strong man. Anything you chop, we will bring you down. Until we bring you down, we will not stop. Until we bring you down, we will not stop. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. All those governors, more they pack on a load. More do they pack on a load. More do they pack on a load. More do they pack on. See, no security go fit guide you. If they come, no security. No security go fit guide you. How many army they won't guide you? How many army they won't guide you? How many boys they won't be saying won't guide you? How many boys they won't be saying won't guide you? We will kill you and nothing go happen. We go kill you, nothing they happen. Heaven no go fall. We go bring you down. See, you go kill. We not say you go kill. That one are for sure. I might be a victim. That one are for sure. But at the end of the day, we go bring you down. Nothing go happen. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. Anybody will bring down. Any minister, any commissioner, any position, any king, even king, any king will bring down. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. The king no better pass those people when they rape. The governors no better pass those people when they say that they kill. The governors no better pass people when they say that they destroy their crops. The governors no better pass people when they say that they suffer. The governors no better pass the people. The governor, nobody better pass them. So anything when we do, heaven no go fall. Heaven will not fall. Heaven can never fall, and it will never fall. Heaven go still there a day. Anything we see very soon. No, this one is just bush. They are there in the bush. Very soon we are coming to the city. At the talk, everybody they go run. Everybody they go run. And I call my brothers. Forget courses. Now it's not the time for we to start doing courses. No, not that we will start to do courses. I'm a strong man. I'll be strong man. I'll be this. Brother, if you are a strong man, come out. If you are a strong man, come and fight for your land. If you are a strong man, come and represent your ancestors. If you are a strong man, come and represent your mother. If you are a strong man, come and represent your father. If you are a strong man, come and represent your people. Now it's not the time for we to start killing ourselves. Now it's the time for we to stand as one. No be will come and say, yes, I be strong man, I be this. Now me no. None at the time for you to come prove yourself, say you are a strong man. If you are a strong man, face your enemy, don't face your people. If you are a strong man, face your enemy, don't face your people. If you are a strong man, face your enemy, not face your people. See, if you are a strong man, not face your people. Your people, they are innocent. If you are a strong man, fight for your people. Don't fight your people. If you are a strong man, fight for your people. Don't fight for your people. Don't fight your people. Now it's the time for you to come out. That ruggedity way be say dey your body, way be say you dey push always. Come fight her out. Come fight them out. No be say you be strong man. One Fulani go enter your community, you go dey run. But when you don't reach your own people, you go be started, we go tear the ground, no level. Now me they hold this ground. But one Fulani go enter your community. You when they call yourself strong man, you go they run. You go they run. Yes, now me be the strong man. Now me they hold this. Now me when you don't reach your people. But one Fulani go enter your community, you go they run. I say you are a strong man. You are a fool. You are a fool. You are a strong man, yes. Now everybody they fear you for your community. Everybody they fear you for the state. But one Fulani go enter your community. One small boy Fulani, maybe the small boy if be even 20 years, he go enter your community. You go they run and you they call yourself strong man. You are a fool. You are a fool. If you are calling yourself strong man, yes, I'm a strong man. Now maybe the key. Now maybe the key of this place. Now maybe the key. Now you carry gun. You they fight your own brothers, your own innocent brothers. The people that are fighting for you, the people that will save you, the people that will rescue you, the people that are there to protect you, you are fighting them. Meanwhile, your enemies, they will come after you. You will be running. You will be running. Police go call, when you they call yourself strong man. Yes, I'm a strong man, no level, everywhere good. They know you for area now. They know you for area. They don't say this guy a bad guy. Not try that guy, he go wound you for, but one fool and he 20 years go come your village, he go carry you, he go burn your ass, he go pursue you. Nothing go happen, you are a fool. If you think say you not chairman, say maybe everywhere good. Yes, I be strong man. Now me the whole Benin strong. Now me the whole Delta State. Now me the whole Bayelsa. Now me the whole Port Harcourt. Now me the whole this place. Now me the whole Cross River. Now me the whole, bros, you are a fool. If you are a strong man, come and fight your enemy. If you are a strong man, come and fight your enemy. You not go feel strong for inside house, come be strong man. No man is strong for inside house, bros. If you don't say you be strong man, come and face your enemy. Come and face your enemy. Come and fight with your people. Come out and fight with your people. The people that are defending your land, come out and fight with them. Not killing your own people. Not killing your own people. No be strong man, not be for election to go the thief ballot boss. Yes, we won't go thief. No, you are a strong man. It's not to thief ballot boss. Strong men, they don't know that to thief ballot boss. Strong men, they don't know that to they rob bank. Strong men, they don't know that to rob bank. For you to be a strong man, you don't need to come out to be robbing the bank. I be strong man. I mean the thief ballot boss. And I mean that politician they use guy. Now that guy, they hold that politicians. Go, you are a fool. You are a fool. If you think you are a strong man, yes, now we they run out for this area. You are a fool. And they talk and you are a fool and you are a nobody. If you are a strong man, come out and fight for your ancestors. Come and represent your ancestors if you are a strong man. And they talk to mostly my Delta people and Edo people. If you are a strong man, you from Edo State, you from Delta State, you they talk say, yes, I be strong man. I mean they hold the brother, you are a fool, you are nobody. Why? One fool and one 20 years fool and he go come, you go they run. You are a fool, you are a coward. You are a coward, except you stand up. If you are fighting for politician and you call yourself you are a strong man, you are a fool. I'm telling you, you are a fool. You are nobody. You are nobody. They say, yes, you're not chairman, you're not brother, you are a nobody. If you are a chairman, come and fight for the truth. If you are a chairman, come and fight for the truth. Come and defend your people if you are a chairman. If you are a chairman, come and defend your people. Come stand for your people. Come face death for your people. Come face death for your people. There are people there paying sacrifice for you. There are people there paying sacrifice for you. Everybody, they fear you for area now. I be chairman, everybody, they fear you for area. Why they not go fear you when you be fool? They fear you. They not be saying that they fear you. They just the only they avoid you. Why? Because you are a coward. The only way to beat a coward is to leave the coward. The only way, if you want to beat a coward, don't fight with coward. Just leave and make just the fool self they go. That's it. They are not afraid of you. They are just leaving you so that you just be fooling yourself. That may be the chairman, I mean the brother. If you are a chairman, come and fight for your people. That may be the strong man. Yes, now me they hold this court, this ransom. And brother, if you are a courtist, come out and fight. Come out and fight the Mieti Allah. If you are a strong man, come out and fight the Mieti Allah. Not fighting your own people. Not be to the fight your brother. Not be to ask us. We don't kill that guy. We don't, brother, you are a fool. And they tell you are a fool. And no matter how much you will make for it, you are still a fool. Why? Because at the end of the day, you are going to live a foolish life. You are going to live a foolish life. If you know say you are a strong man, when an attack is being taking place against your people, you defend your people. When an attack is being taking place against your people, you will defend your people. That is how to know strong man. When an attack they get against your people, not be say you go to kill your own people. Not be say you go to kill your own people, now make you be strong man. I they send this message, mostly my Delta State brother, now they send this message to. Mostly those useless so-called people will be say that they kill themselves. They be fool. You people are fool. You people don't know what you need. People don't know what you need. Why? Because you people are fool. You people are coward. You people don't deserve to even live. One fool and he go enter a circle and go chase all of them and come out. You tell yes, I'll be strong man. You are a fool. You are a fool. I'm telling you the truth. Forget who you be. Forget how many people they forget say they carry AK-47 they work out. Bro, no level for you. You are still a fool. A fool will always be a fool. A fool will always be a fool. Why you not gonna be fool when be say even the governors when they use you, they don't say you be fool. You are fighting against your people. They know that they will only use a fool. The government can never use a normal human being. Person will be say he head correct. Government not go fit use them. Why? Because government no say that the governor no say this person no go work. So if the governor they want to do something, they must look for foolish people, and that's why they come meet you. Why? Because you are a fool. I'm telling you. Now is the time for you to wake up. If you are a strong man, wake up. Come fight for your people. Come stand for your people. Come defend your land. If you are a strong man, you come from Edo State. Come defend Edo State. Defend Edo State. Defend Edo State. Show yourself say you're a strong man. Not for you to say, yes, I be chairman, I be this, the bride. You are a fool. You are nobody. I'm telling you, you are a fool. Clement say you be fool. I they tell you. If you come for Delta State, at the year now say yeah for Warri now things of their brother, you be fool. Your brothers they fool inside prison. Warri no work for Warri. Why you no fight for company made a build company for Warri? Why you no fight for company made a build company for those states? Why you no fight the government? Make the government do things for people, make people take they live better life for those states. You come and they say you're not chairman. Maybe they give you some more money. You call the drive motor. You are a fool. I they tell you. Everything when they achieve now vanity. Bros, no man they reign forever now. We you know the game now. Nobody they reign forever. You know if it's strong, say you go reign forever. Your time go still expire. Another person go take away from you. One another person go take away for you. This is the reason why we need to come out. This is the reason why we need to come out. If you are a chairman, they're not they use chairman. A chairman they use people. If you are a chairman, they know they use chairman. Politicians know they use chairman. Politicians no go use chairman now. Politicians go give you money, go say may you go keep person. You know the politicians they say may you go die. Now wait till they tell you. Politicians go give you money, go say may you go thief ballot box. The politicians they tell you say may you go die. Why you not take that life to fight for your freedom? So that generations to come, they will be proud that yes, chairman. My bros na rich chairman. My father was a chairman. My district was a chairman. My district was a chairman. People stand nation. Why you not be the one? Why you not be among the people that stood the nation? Why you not be among the people that stood the nation? Why you not stand among? Why you not be one of those people that really stood the nation? When they say yes, these are the people that really make this nation the nation. Instead of you wasting your time, wasting all your years, you carry it in. No, I still dey talk am. If you think that you are a chairman, and one Fulani go enter your community, you go dey run. You cannot do anything. You are a fool. You cannot do anything. You are a fool. Forget what you get. Forget what you get. The best achievement you can achieve on earth is to live a better life that will please generations to come. The best achievement you can achieve in life is that seed when be say you sow for ground. When be say you go make generations say yes. Sometimes I'll just sit down and reason myself. This country that I'm living today, people fought for this country. People fought for this country. People sacrificed their life. People die. People fight till the end. They fight with their last blood. At the end of the day, everything hate the country. Today I'm living in peace. Today I'm living in peace. But people fought for it. So I keep on asking myself, if people can make a nation, why can't I make my own nation? If people can make that place where be say you dey, if people feel make am, no land for this earth where be say, no land for this earth where be say they never fight. This earth, as long as this earth is concerned, all land have battled. People fought battle in different lands. The Rome when we dey hear Rome fought battle. The Israel when we dey call Israel fought battles. There are different lands. No place where never fought battle. The Asia, they fought battle. The Americas, they fought battle. Even Africa, there are so many battles that Africa have fought. What about you? What are you going to live your life for? Are you going to live your life to just say, yes, you be chairman, you oppress your people? Why don't you fight a battle that will secure the future of your generations to come? Why can't you fight a battle that will secure the future of your generations to come? Unborn generation, they will never forget you. Why can't you give them freedom? Freedom. You say, yes, you be chairman. Are they talking? Anything will cross our way, now bushmeat. Anything will cross our way, now bushmeat. Anything will cross our way, now bushmeat. Why? Because the days of weeping is over. The days of weeping is over. Those are the days when we dey cry. Those are the days when we say that they dance python dance. When we say that they dance anyhow. No. If you kill us, we go kill you. After all, we know we are going to die. If you shoot us, we go shoot you. We know say we go die. We know say we go die. If you shoot us, we go shoot you. And very soon, all the governors are still they talk. All the governors in the southeast, all of them they go wrong, go north. There will be no governor. All of them they go wrong, go north very soon. All of them they go wrong, go north. Why? Because Biafra, we are going to take it with force. We are going to take Biafra with force. We know they negotiate with anybody. Anybody. We know they negotiate with anybody. Why? Because it is our birthright. Biafra is our birthright. Biafra is our birthright, and we are going to take our birthright with force. We don't negotiate with anybody. We are not going to please anybody. We are not going to say anything to anybody, anything at all. When I mean anything to anybody, we are not calling the world to come and give us Biafra. It is our birthright, and we are going to achieve it. We are going to achieve it. We cannot be spreading around the nation. Mieti Allah, they collect our land. No way. Those days have come and gone. Pussy, and they talk and the only prayer when be say the Mieti Allah understand. The only language when be say the Mieti Allah understand are to carry AK-47. That's why she say the country today, they not say you rugged, they go want use you. That's to let you know say the country, the only thing when they understand for that country are violence. The only thing when that country understand are violence. If you are not rugged, the country no go respect you. That's why I say, if person just strong to the government go carry that person, guy call they protect me, all those things. Why? Because they believe in our ruggedness. That be the only thing. The people when they back the government, you say they are not rugged. All of them they are rugged. That be the only language when be say they understand for that country. Since now the only language when be say they understand it, so we're ready to give them that language this time. We are ready. We are ever ready to make sure that we give them that language. That language when be say they understand, we'll give them that language. And we are not afraid this time, eh? We are not afraid. Those are those days. Those days have come and gone. Those days, they don't come out. When people say, we they cry, we they shed tears. Or would they post for this video, say, please, oh, the war should come to our rescue. Look at what, that they rape our mother. No, those days have come and gone. We are not posting anymore. Anywhere when anywhere that they attack, would they come there? Anywhere that they attack. And the day when we say any useless governor go mention one word. Say let them go and attack the Eastern Security Network. That day the governor will go kill him. Nothing will happen. Heaven will not fall. How they talk am? We go kill the governor. Heaven will not go fall. Heaven will not go fall. Any day the governor raise alarm, say these are the problems that you go and attack the Eastern Security Network. Why? Because those people, they are there to protect our land. They are even there to protect you, useless governor. When you say you don't know yourself. You useless governor. When you say you don't even know yourself. They are even there to protect you. They are even there to make sure that your leadership is okay. The Eastern Security Network, they are even there to make sure that your leadership is okay. They are not there to make sure that maybe they do one or two things to make sure they cost. No, they are even there to make sure that your leadership, why? Because you can only lead people when your state is okay. When your state they okay, now you feel lead people. When your state is not okay, who you want lead? House when they on fire, they look for cockroach. When your house they on fire, you can't go they look for cockroach. You cannot be looking for cockroach when your house is on fire. Or you're going to look for insect when your house is on fire. So the Eastern Security Network, they are even there to even protect you, governor. You useless governor when you say you don't know yourself. You useless governor when you say you don't know yourself. They are even there to protect you. Now you even supposed to even get mad, speak for Abuja. Now you even get mad to even speak for Abuja. Say enough is enough. Enough is enough. We know. Now you supposed to even feel talk for Abuja. Say there is no Jubri anymore. Not be even Buhari. Why? Because you have backup. You have people that are ready to protect your life. Instead, you are still selling yourself. You are a fool. And they talk about all those Southeast governors, staff for Okuwa, or Obaseki, and Wike, all the useless governors. All you are a fool. You people are going to pay for what you people are sowing. All these things where be on they sow for ground, you people are going to pay for it when time comes. All these things you people are sowing, instead of you to defend your people, instead the Fulanis don't give you people go ahead now to go they create security now. Go they create security. They go give on a gun. Who they kill? They'll say, man, you still they use your people today. Instead of you to use us till they kill each other, we go better kill you come out. More no say you know they exist. Instead of you to bring us together to start to fight ourselves, we go rather kill you, governor, come out. We go rather kill you. Why? Because you are not useful. We will use you as a sacrifice to the land, to please the gods. To please the gods, so that the gods will be pleased. It's just like, at the talk, it does say, the gods have already chosen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The gods has already chosen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And there is nothing, nobody, we don't have any other leader again. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only leader we have. He's the only leader we have. Any other person na follow come. Na follow come. Any other person na follow come. Any other person in the land na follow come. This is the time for you to know yourself. This is the time for you to address yourself. This is the time for you to know, say, yes, this is who I want. This is my people. As a governor of the state now when we say the Eastern Security Network, they don't come out. Can't defend you. You go do and do for that state, nothing they happen. If you tell the Metiala say move, they go move. Why? Because you have a security that will back you up. Not the zoological Nigeria security. When people say they don't feel back you. If any attack, okay, say this, not be good. Which all those governors when people say that they attack today. Which army you just say they go they defend them. Any attack on you now, you get people when people say that the Easters, they know they run for attack. In short, they run meet attack. They know they run for attack. They run meet any attack they come. Now they run go meet the attack. We don't retreat. We don't surrender. We know they surrender. Now we they run go meet the attack. Just the same way when we say David run to Goliath. That's how we run to our challenges this time. Any challenges come, we they crush that down. We don't care if he's going to take our debt. Because Biafra must be restored. Our people must be free. Our people must live. Our people must live like human. We are tired of living slaving life. We are tired of frustrating everywhere. We are tired of frustration. Graduate everywhere. There's no job. Graduate everywhere, there's no job. Look at our ladies, little girls. Little girls. Why are they going to prostitution? Because there's nothing to provide for their family. There's nothing to provide for their family. Family have been wrecked down. Graduate, after graduation, 0% for work. After graduate, 0%. After everything when people say that they pass through for school, the useless lecturers go sleep with them. Those people when we see call lecturers, all those lecturers, all of them, they go collect. Voila, they go collect. All of them, they go collect. Mieti Alan when people say they know they go school, now they full Aso Rock pass. People when people say they know they go school, now they lead you when people say I get BSc, I get degree, I get this thing, I get doctorate degree, I get HND, I get this thing. You when people say you go up, you with your full education, you are still nothing. With your full education, you are still nothing. People when people say they no go school, now they collect trillions for Abuja. People Mieti Alan when people say they no go school, now they collect trillions for Abuja. You when people say they claim say you get BSc, your BSc is now zero. Now zero. These are the reasons why we must support the Eastern Security Network. Because they are there to bring back our birthright. If you have BSc, you go use and take work when Biafra don't come. You cannot go to school to become jobless when Biafra come. No, never. You know go to school say you go become. If you go worry, you know how many jobless people full worry. Mostly, I only they talk to Delta State. If you go Delta State, where because I'm from Delta State. If you go Delta, okay, look Isoko for example, because me na Isoko, but I go use myself as an example. The only thing where they Isoko land there, now only the pipe where be say they put for granted they drill Isoko all year. Now the only thing where they Isoko land. There's no company, no company. No company. Isoko is finished. Oh, see, no water, nothing. Everything is polluted in Isoko. Every total thing is polluted. There's nothing to write about. What a disgrace to me. What a disgrace to me. I have everything on earth, but I'm suffering on other man's land. People just say, yeah, this boy they suffer. No, I know they suffer, but I'm just saying the truth. My people are suffering. My people are suffering. People they become enemy to people because of for no reason. Just because you know if he help person, the person go turn you to his own enemy. Why? Because the person could not afford meal. These are the things that the Eastern Security Network have come to put an end to. An end to. Enough is enough. We cannot continue dying. We will not cry anymore. Those days have come and gone. Where will they cry? Those days have come and gone. The days of our weeping have come and gone. We are not going to cry anymore. We hold no tears anymore. Instead, we go to rejoice. Even though say in our death, we go to die, we go to rejoice. Why? Because we are fighting for our birthright. We are fighting for our birthright. The greatest joy on earth, as a human, the greatest joy on earth is when you discover yourself. Then fight to die for it. The day you discover yourself and fight, then die for it, that's the greatest joy. Great nations, they fight. I've listened to so many people in America. They always say, America, they are the strongest. Why did they say America are the strongest army? Because they are fighting to defend their father's land. Though it's not their father's land, but let me call it their father's land. They are fighting to defend their land. So there is nothing wrong if we will fight to defend our land. There is nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Nothing go wrong. There is nothing go wrong if we fight to defend our land. At the talk and when Biafra coming, every single bet of Biafra will become army, so everybody go to respect itself. Every single person for Biafra, any work when you want work, or you go still become happy. If any work when be say you want work, if you want work for bank, anywhere when you want work, it doesn't matter. But as long as say yes, you dey work, even though say you want to be teacher or anything, any kind of work, you want work for petroleum, anywhere when you want work, you are free to work, but you become army. So that make everybody respect itself. May everybody respect itself. May everybody for respect. Nobody go be yes, I will be the boss. Now no boss, no chairman. No. According to our leader, we are Republican. We are Democrat. Everybody will work together. We go move together the same way when ants say they move. The ants, they have leaders. They have elders. They have everything. But still they work together. They work together. You cannot differentiate their leader from them. Because why? Their unity is too strong. This is how we are going to be when Biafra comes. We go too strong. The world knows. The world knows. That's why I'm only giving kudos to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm always appreciating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for what he has done. Those useless people, they might have not seen what he has done, but generations to come, they will not regret it. Why? Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have great love among us. They say Igbo people don't love themselves. Who tells Igbo people don't love themselves? We love ourselves so much. We are full of love. We are full of love. They have come to destroy us, but we still love ourselves. They try to destroy us for 100 years plus. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have come to redeem that love. Redeem that love. He have come to create that love. The love, see, our love now is too strong. Our unity is too strong. We are too strong. Forget that we still have some little saboteur. A time will come, our love will too stay. Our love go too strong. Why? Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the foundation he's laying a foundation of love among us. A foundation of love. A family full of love. That's what he's laying. That is why I so much believe on him. I so much believe on him. I so much trust in him. Nothing at the talk, nothing will make me turn back. Nothing, no level, nothing. Why? Because he has proved to us that he's a leader. He don't prove to us, say yes, he's a leader. And he's ready to lead us to any length. He's ready to lead us to any length. Any length. That's why we are under one commander control. And until Biafra is restored, we'll still be under commander control. We are going over here. We die together. We go over here. At the talk, and we go over here. According to my brother Edudu, go say every single IPOP is an Eastern Security Network. Why? Because we are going to fight to defend our land. A time is coming when we all will return back home. Heaven will not go fall if we go bring down the zoo. If we bring down the zoo, heaven will not go fall. At the talk, nobody will go kill for that country. Heaven will not go fall. Everybody for that country is a bushmeat. I talk. Anybody you see for inside bush is a bushmeat. Anybody you see, anybody, bring her down no level. Bring her down no level. And people agree to now. I still remember a humble brag and a man no ask Moses saying, that small Isoko boy, now you see so. Isoko must be free. Oto Isoko, he must be free. Isoko Grand must be free. Biafra land must be free. Our people must be liberated from this slavery. Enough is enough. We cannot continue living like slaves. We have no home back. We have no home front. It's just like we are just like the wind. We just they blow anyhow. Anywhere we go now they blow us to. We don't get direction. We don't get direction. This time we don't have direction. We just be like breeze. Anywhere when they like now they blow us to. We will not live that life again. Enough is enough. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have come to put an end. And at the end, almost hate Biafra. Almost hate Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only leader we had. We have no other leader. I'm calling on my people. Support the Eastern Security Network. Any battle when they enter the Eastern Security Network body, now your battle. Bros, if you get gun, if the army they come in the Eastern Security Network, bros, enter inside, go bring your gun, fight for them. Fight for them. Why? Because they are there to defend you. Any attack on the Eastern Security Network is an attack on you. And I go tell the governors, if you send all those your useless vigilante go there, they go take their tail do pepper soup because all of them they are bushmeat. And my brothers, I go one una One I know you go there, go try on yourself. One I not allow anybody fool now. Why? Because these people they are fighting to defend you. They are fighting to defend your future. They are fighting to defend your children. Don't allow any governor to fool you. Don't allow any governor to use you. Don't allow anybody to use you. These people, they are there to protect you. They are there to protect your life. That your children, mostly your guests, they are there to your daughter no go they go somewhere again. You know, because you say, my daughter, please waka well. You know they again. Your daughter go waka straight. Why? Because any fool and way be say one rape and a bushmeat. Any fool and way be say go destroy your crop farm and a bushmeat. We know they submit fool and need they give police or soldier say man arrest am. No, we know they submit give anybody say make they carry and go police station. No, we go give them. We go give them full and need treatment. And the only treatment we full and need understand now die. We go kill them alive. Kill them all. Kill them all. No pity, no forgiveness. Kill them all. If they meet us for bush, they know they pity us. So if we meet them, we will kill them. Not spare second chance, kill them or anyhow if you take kill them, no level. Heaven no go fall. Heaven no go fall. We are dead men. We all are dead men, and we are ready to die. We are ready to pay sacrifice. We are ready to pay sacrifice. We don't care how, we don't care what it go happen. No level. We don't care what it go happen. We don't care what it go happen. So my people agree tonight. I still remain a humble brother as I tell now Ogenema no as play Moses. Please, I will say please join us in the era of Coastal Region Biafra by 5 o'clock. We have a program there. Please kindly like our page also. Please participate with us. Thank you very much, my people. You know, without you, there is no me. Without you, there is no me. And I so much love you people, and I will continue to love you people. I know it's not by my power, it's not by my strength. It's just by the grace of God. I assure you people one thing, at the end, almost hey Biafra. At the end, almost hey Biafra. We are not going to surrender. Even though it takes us to grieve, we are not going to surrender. We will fight with our last blood. We will fight with our last blood. We don't care if it will take our death. Why? Because we are walking towards our death. The day when they conceive man, and that day night they conceive death. The day when they say, yes, it be like say I don't miss my this thing. The day when the line come out, and that day the day when they conceive man, and that day night they conceive his death. Because man was created to die. As long as man come this end, man go die. So we are not afraid of death. Because death, now mission we be say we must carry out. Anytime it come, we not tell them may no come. Anytime it come, may come. But at the end of it, almost a Biafra. Because our people must be free. We will not leave our children for slave. We will not continue leaving our children to live a slaving life. Never. Never. Those days have come and gone. When we did shed tears. Agree to now, my people. In all, please continue to pray for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He deserves our prayer. He deserves our prayer. You people should continue to pray for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And also continue praying for our brothers and sisters who volunteered themselves, the Eastern Security Network. Continue praying for them because they deserve our prayer also. Though we might be fighting physical, but they also need spiritual backup. You know, we are the true children of the light. That's why people don't understand when they say land of the rising sun. If you read the Bible very well, the Bible says this sun is the greatest. The sun is the greatest. So land of the rising sun, that means you are the greatest. If you don't know, you better know now. Biafra, you are the greatest. The greatest on earth, greatest on earth. The world put together, they cannot seduce us down. Why? Because we are the greatest. And Biafra, at the end, the world will hate Biafra. That name will be say they pursue all witches and wizards. That name will be say they destroy all destroyable. At the end of it, almost hate Biafra. At the end of it, we will die, but we don't care. We will die. I know we will die. Anybody can be a victim. I might be a victim, but at the end of it, almost hate Biafra. Almost hate Biafra. Almost hate Biafra. We know we go back. We are not afraid of war. Let the zoo Nigeria. Let them prepared. Very soon. Anything we put on uniform, now bushmeat for our land. Anything we put on uniform, now bushmeat. A time is coming here, they're not going to put on uniform again. All of them, they're not going. Nobody go wear uniform. Nobody. Are they talking? All the governors, they go wrong, go not. I love you people so much. You people are the best. I pray may Chukwu Okike Abiama. May all Ghanaians let we all enter Biafra land. That promised land that God has been willing to us through our ancestors. I pray may all Ghanaians grant us into it. The same way when the children of Israel step into Israel. Now so now we all go to step into Biafra land. And I pray may God himself give us our enemy. More continue to kill them. More they kill them. May we dey kill them. Since they no want maybe say we go, may we dey kill them. May God give us our enemy. May we continue to dey kill them. We go kill them until they get sense. And those saboteurs wey be say dey our land, may God give us the strength also. May we kill all those saboteurs. Because Biafra land is a holy land. Now holy land. People don't know. There's a mystery about you as a Biafra. But you don't know. The world cannot conquer you. Why? Because you are a light. You are a light. You are a light. When you are talking about ancestor, we are the ancestor, the descender of that great light. I love you people. You are the best. Again, please continue to pray for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And continue to pray for every faithful Biafra. What I mean, every faithful. Anyone that is faithful, fighting for the restoration of Biafra, continue to be praying for them. Continue to pray for them. And mostly, support our Eastern Security Network with your finances. Anything where you know say if you just support them. And to our brothers when you say they house. Any attack on the Eastern Security Network is an attack on you. If you get weapon, when the battle is taking place, bring your weapon out. Fight with them. Your battle, I dey tell you, you go win am. And at the end of the day, all must hail Biafra. All must hail Biafra. My people, I love you so much. I know, like, I love you. I love you people so much. You people are really wonderful. You people are really wonderful. And I know that God in heaven go see us through. God in heaven go see us through. Yeah, my people. Now, here now for end my program. I greet you all. Stay blessed. Stay lovely. And at the end, all must hail Biafra.